Hello from Halo, this is Sam, and here we are doing maintenance. Here is a step-by-step play on how to take off a faceplate on any one of the Barudan heads for the 6 head and the single head. This works for both. You are going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and first things first is you're going to take off these 2 screws here. I should also mention that the side faces need to be taken off. They're very simple to take off. All you need to do is grab the bottom, pull out, and then the top will come right off. Same over here with the button side. Pop off, it'll come right off, and then you let it hang. Try not to let the wires twist. Once the screws have been removed, I like to let them hang there like this in the brackets so that I don't lose track of them. From here, you're going to actually grab the whole face. It's already loose. You're going to pull the bottom out and pull down on the threads to give yourself some room, and then you're going to pull it out from the right side, and then from there you can just take it out. Try not to get tangled on the threads. And then you can let it hang there as you do your maintenance. From here, to put it back on, we're going to grab our threads with one hand. We're going to gather them and we're going to pull them down like we did before. We're going to put our face in from the bottom left-hand corner first. We're going to make sure none of the threads get tangled up in any of these prongs. And then from here, we want these tabs here to fit into their spaces up above. Better do it here. And then from here, you can go ahead and screw your screws back in. Once the face is back on, we're going to put our side brackets back on as well. We're going to start from the bottom. We're going to hook against the face plates here. And we're just going to flip them up and it'll settle back into place. Same as over here. Bottom, hook, bring up. It helps to know that there are corresponding screw holes here, but there's no need to use them. I hope this is helpful for maintenance endeavors. This will need to be performed for 6-month maintenance using the White Lithium Grease to get behind to where you need to reach. Again, I hope this was helpful, and happy sewing.